What if just 10 minutes every morning could make your whole day better? Better mood, better energy, better English. Today, we'll show you a simple morning routine that can help you feel happier, more focused, and more confident. And you'll practice natural English at the same time. So get ready to listen, repeat, and try this routine tomorrow. Let's improve your day, starting right now. Can this routine improve your day? English Bridge Podcast, Level A2 to B1, with Tom and Emma.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Bridge Podcast. Today we are asking a simple question. Can this routine improve your day?
Yes, we will talk about small habits you can do every morning. Easy actions that can help you feel better, work better, and enjoy your day more.
And of course, you will learn natural English phrases to talk about your routine while you improve your English skills.
Exercise 1. Start your morning strong. Let's start with waking up. Tom, what do you do first in the morning?
I get up and drink a glass of water. It helps me wake up completely.
Nice. I open the window and stretch for a few minutes. Fresh air makes me feel alive.
Here's a phrase for you. I start my day by... Repeat. I start my day by drinking water.
Exercise 2. A simple breakfast. Breakfast is important. Tom, what do you usually eat?
I eat toast with eggs or oatmeal. And I drink coffee, of course.
I love smoothies. Here's another phrase. I usually have... Repeat. I usually have a healthy breakfast.
Exercise 3. Planning your day. One habit that changed my life is planning my day.
Yes. Write 3 simple goals for the day. Example. 1. Finish work. 2. Exercise. 3. Call a friend.
Phrase. My plan for today is... Try it. My plan for today is to learn English.
Exercise 4. Move your body. Even 10 minutes of exercise can change your mood. Walk, stretch, dance, whatever you enjoy.
Phrase to practice. I exercise to feel good and stay healthy.
Exercise 5. Positive thinking. Before you start your day, think about one thing you are grateful for.
Yes. Say, I'm grateful for... Example. I'm grateful for my family. Right.
Challenge for the listener. Try this simple routine tomorrow morning. 1. Drink water. 2. Open the window. 3. Eat breakfast. 4. Plan 3 goals. 5. Move your body. 6. Say one thing you are grateful for.
Then tell us, can this routine improve your day?
Great job today! You learned useful English and healthy habits.
Remember, good English comes from daily practice, just like a good morning routine. See you next time on English Bridge Podcast. Bye!
If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to subscribe to English Bridge for more easy and fun English practice. I'd also love to hear from you. Write your questions or suggestions in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer and help you.